Namaste. Welcome to Shevadhi channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you think Sanskrit language is difficult? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Sanskrit? Do you imagine huge grammar books, complicated rules, or scholars debating these ancient texts? But what if I told you that in the next few minutes you can actually be conversing in Sanskrit? And no, we don't need any grammar book. We don't need any prior knowledge of the language. All we need is curiosity. Let's begin. Think about how a child learns a language.
Say, Mama.
Mother, please.
Just give me the grammar book.
Do children start with any grammar books? Not really, right? Children learn differently. They observe, they listen, and then they repeat. And slowly, they begin speaking. That is exactly how we are going to learn Sanskrita in this spoken Sanskrita series. No grammar first, speaking first. So this is the simple roadmap we are going to follow. Words, then small sentences, and then spoken Sanskrita. And first, before we begin, I have a surprise for you. You already know the language. Let us see. Let's look at some words, right? Yoga, Guru, Mantra, Prana, Avatar. What is it? Or you say Avatar. This rings a bell in everybody's mind, right? Avatar. Yeah. All these words are all Sanskrita words. So you already know Sanskrita. Congratulations. Or how we say it in Sanskrita, Abhinandanani. So just take a moment and pause. How many Sanskrita words I already know? Yeah. Doesn't it feel good? Yes. Let's learn our very first Sanskrita word that again you might already be familiar with. Namaste. So we're showing the word in Devanagari Lipi and also along with the translated text. So you can actually read it in case if you don't know the Sanskrita script. Can you say it? Namaste. Namaste. It is a respectful greeting. People use it when meeting and people use it when leaving and people recognize it almost everywhere in the world. So let's say it one more time. Namaste. Namaste. Let's look at the next word. What is it? Dhanyavaadah. Dhanyavaadah. This is the word for thanks in Sanskrit. When somebody helps us, what do we say? Let's say it in Sanskrit together. Dhanyavaadah or Dhanyavaadah. Yes. Now let's look at the next word. What is it? What's the word that we are going to learn now? The Sanskrit equivalent for the word yes. And it's very nice in Sanskrit. Let's say it again. Yeah. Now, what's the opposite of yes? No, right? And again, it's a very simple, just one syllable a word in Sanskrit. It is na. Easy, right? Let's say that a word for a no in Sanskrit. Na. Yeah. So let's just quickly revise these words. Namaste. What do you say when I greet you? Namaste. And what if someone helps you? What do you say? Yeah. Dhanyavaadah. And if I ask you, Are you curious about learning new things? And hope the answer is yes. And how do we say that in Sanskrita? Am. Am. If I ask this question, do you think Sanskrita is difficult? And I hope your answer is na. Correct. Sanskrita is not difficult. So the answer is na. So na is the word for no. Wow. You learned 4 words in Sanskrita along with some of the words that you already know, right? Namaste, Dhanyavaadah, Am, Na. In the upcoming lesson, we will be learning few more words. So this is only the beginning. In the next lessons, we will start building real Sanskrita sentences. And very soon, you will be on your way to hold simple conversations. Before you go, write one Sanskrita word that you learned today in the comment section. If you're excited to continue this journey, keep watching. We'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, Namaste.